Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the trades I took on SINT. It is a very low float stock, under 2 million, with a low market cap, under 450 million. The main thing that I want you to notice in a stock like SINT is that every time it gaps, it usually makes a high early in the morning and then it has a massive drop over the rest of the day and it returns most of its gains. It happened here, it happened here, here you can see a gap up, a nice green day, and then a gap up and a massive drop over the entire day. You could see it over here and a few other examples, and today is no surprise that it did exactly that. The main time to watch a stock like that is in the early morning. Even though it gapped up supposedly by 40%, most of the action was in the morning and then it did absolutely nothing. So unless you have shorts on the stock and you short this secondary move to the view up and the rejection, unless you short it around here at the 250 area, or short this bounce after this massive washout for the continuation of the downtrend, there isn't much you can do in the stock, especially on the long side. There's absolutely nothing you can do here. And even in the short side, it's about 30 cents for holding it for almost a whole day. So I don't know if it is worth. It is up to you to decide. I want to talk about the main move that happened in the morning, and I will show you my trades at the same time. You can see that this stock, this is the first candle of the day. Until the pre-market, it had nice resistance around this line of 235. Once it broke that at the pre-market, it made nice move to 250 and then it went down, established this support at 240, and once the day opened, it made the move above 250. You could buy this move of 250, buy this breakout and sell for a quick pop, or you could buy every time it broke the new high, for example over here, and then sell, and once it went back you could buy this breakout of the 290 and sell for a quick $3 resistance, or you could buy it for the $3 break and another 10-15 cents of quick profit. What I prefer to do once it moves like this from 250 to $3, I know that it should reject at $3 and make a nice red move. I was looking for this, for the covers of the people that held this position in long towards the view up, and I was looking to buy, and once I saw it is making a resistance around this area, once it establishes support at 275, I jumped in at 279 and I sold for a quick move. I held it very little time. I should have held longer, because you can see that once it made this move it went back, and once it broke $3 it made a very nice move. It was about 40 cents, but I was very cautious because it did a similar move on the time and sells and the level 2 yesterday on the stock on FRAN. After it made a nice green move, a red candle, and then it was a very massive red candle, and it is very dangerous to get stuck in these stocks because you can blow up or lose a significant amount of money that you did not plan on losing when you have this such red candle when you're holding position going against you. So once I saw that, I immediately dropped out of the position and then it squeezed up. I waited for this green candle, and once the green candle happened, I waited for another pullback. I got quite a bad feel, but I'm okay with that. You can see it is the same support area. You can see this body of this candle, body of this candle. When it pulled back on this red candle, it came back here again, and fourth time on this red candle. And this time I did not want to hold long because it did not make a significant move in this area. If it made a significant move, I might have held longer, but now that it made a very small move of 15 cents from the previous high and such a massive drop, I knew that the stock is weak. And remember what I said to you on those gaps and when it drops down. So I kept in mind those two things, and I was very worried that it will continue moving down. So I made another quick move over here. I got in at 287, sold quickly for 291 when the tape stalled, like I always do, and then I got out for a nice quick profit, and that is basically it for the day. Thank you for watching this trade recap on SINT. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new, and I will see you at the next video.